Hi everyone, so now we're up to angle 5, which is the last type of angle we're going to learn, which is exterior angles. These angles are formed by either secant lines, tangent lines, or both of them together. So in case 1, you'll see we have 2 secant lines. What is a secant line? It is a line that touches the circle in 2 spots. Remember, a tangent line was touched once, while a secant touches twice. Okay, so we could have any combination of the two and they will form an exterior angle outside of the circle. So this one was 2 secant lines, this is a tangent and a secant line, this is 2 tangents. All right, and if you notice in the 2 tangents, both the arcs that are formed make up a full circle. So in the case of 2 tangents, that adds up to 360. If you look here, the 2 arcs that are being formed by the secant and the tangent do not make up the full circle. So in this case, you'll just have A and B. It doesn't add up to anything. And the same thing here. You have A and B, but all 4 arcs would add up to 360. All right, so if we look at the first question, it's 2 tangents. They tell you that this is 100. So then you needed to figure out the rest of it by doing 360 minus 100. You would get the bigger arc is 260. Now the formula is you're going to subtract the 2 arcs. You're going to subtract the 2 arcs and then divide by 2. All right, you can write it like this as well. All right, remember in the bow tie one we added and divided by 2? Well, this one we're going to subtract and divide by 2. So you're just going to take the bigger arc minus the smaller arc, divided by 2, and you get 65 for the angle. And you're going to do that for every single one of them. Take the bigger arc minus the smaller arc, divided by 2, equals your angle. Bigger arc minus the smaller arc, divided by 2, equals your angle. Now, what happens if they gave you the angle and they asked you to find the arc? So let's work backwards. So we know the answer is going to be 100 because I'm using this number and this number. So let's say you're going to take the bigger arc, subtract the smaller arc, divided by 2, equals your angle. You're going to cross multiply and solve. All right, so whether you're looking for an angle or you're looking for an arc, you will use this formula and set it up and go ahead and do them. So there's a couple of questions I asked you to do. You can do them on loose leaf, take a picture and upload it, or however else you want to figure out how to do these problems. All right, just send your work in to this attachment, to the assignment. Thank you. And you can message me on Google Classroom if you have any questions. Bye.